Welcome to a story of courage, chaos, and the sea's untamed power. Tonight, you will witness a dockside adventure where man and nature collide in a breathtaking escape. Prepare yourself for suspense, laughter, and triumph. This is The Whale Escape. Credits at end of movie. Actor Mr. Nabil Adam.
Oh my God! Roof, roof, roof! Pull! Pull! Harder! Yap! Yap! Whoosh! Whoosh! Help! I can't hold on! Woof, woof, woof! Woof, woof, woof! Oh, your eyes! Yes! We did it! Bark, bark, bark! Freedom! Oh, wonderful! Bark, bark! All right, boy, who's the best dog on the pier? That's a good boy. Whoa, what the, no, no, help! I'm gonna be pulled in. I'm gonna be eaten. Sometimes the sea fights back.